genes and size of genomes. Genomes of most bacteria and archaea range from 1 to 6 million base pair. Genomes of eukaryotes are usually larger than the genomes of the prokaryotes. Most plants and animals have genomes greater than 100 MB of DNA. Humans have genome size of approximately 3000 MBs. Within each domain, there is no systematic relationship between the genome size and the phenotype. If we take the example of the viral genomes, or we take the example of the bacterial genomes, there is no specific relationship between the subspecies and strains that there is a particular correlation of the genomes and their size and their number of genes. So we do not see a systematic relationship between the genomes and their size within specific domains of the organisms. Here we can see that size of the genomes in case of bacteria. We see that Haemophilus influenzae, the size of the genome is 1.8 MB and the number of genes are approximately 1700. So we can say that approximately 940 genes per MB. While in case of E. coli, the genome size of the E. coli is 4.6 MB and there are 4400 genes. So 950 genes per MB DNA of the E. coli. On the other hand, if we see that in case of Archaeoglobus, the size of the genome is 2.2 MB and there are 2500 genes and genes per MB 1130 genes per MB. So if we see here, or if we do a comparison here, that we do not see a proper relationship between the size of the genome and the number of genes which are present on that particular genome. This is another example in which we can do the comparison between the size of the genomes and the number of genes which are present on that genome. So in case of yeast, we see that there are 6300 genes while the size of the genome is 12 MB. In case of nematode, the size is 100 MB and there are 20,100 genes. In case of Drosophila, that is fruit fly, the size is 165 MB and approximately 13,700 genes. Rice, Oryza sativa, size of the genome and number of the genes. Corn, size of the genome and number of genes, as well as in the last we can see that in case of Homo sapien, the size of the genome is approximately 3000 MB and the number of genes expected to be between 21,000 up to 25,000. So if we conclude that what is the correlation between the number of genes and the size of genes, almost most of the eukaryotes have a large size of the genomes when we compare it with the genomes of the prokaryotes. But within each domain, in domain of prokaryotes or in domain of eukaryotes, we see that there is no systematic relationship between the genome size and the number of genes.